What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on the channel. I hope you're doing well. In this video we got some mud flaps. We're going to be sticking them on the Corsa VXR. I hope you enjoy. Okay, yes, I'm actually in a house, not in a car for once, and yes, I wear my hood indoors, allow it, but I'm not actually sticking them on the car as we speak, but I'm dying to open it, so I thought we might as well open it together to see what's inside. So let's see what's inside. They use some strong tape. Right. Cuts me with a knife. Got a knife. Strong tape. Alright. So, well, the first pack is brackets and fixings, and then you've got the front ones, rear ones, and then just a bit of cardboard to keep them straight. So I'm just going to use my small knife to break that sellotape. Got a little brochure there. Fitting instructions, which I'm pretty sure says for the front wheels you just turn full lock each way, and for the back wheels, yeah, it's always best to use trolley jacks, jack up to remove the rear wheels when fitting the rear mud flaps. So it just makes it easier basically. So that's all the fixings. I don't really want to open that. Shit, it sounds loose. Right, let's holding this out. This is why I brought a small knife. We're getting in slowly. So what, they like the packaging. Don't do what I do with a knife. Please don't cut yourself. Don't try and sue me if you do. Well, they feel good quality. So yeah, they're like a rubber that are stuck together. I really hope you heard that noise. It's quite a satisfying noise. And yeah, see, you've got the VXR with the blue to go with the blue Corsa. You've got to keep that house style. Which one? I'm guessing they're the rears because they look a bit smaller than these ones. I will just open the front ones now because I'm impatient. That has just helped me. Be safe with knives, kids. And then yeah, front ones sell are quite a bit bigger. There's more fixing points on the front ones. They stick together well. Oh, what a satisfying noise that is. So yeah, I'm going to have to wait a couple of days before I actually put them on the car. You usually see me putting them on about now. As you can see, they're on the car. I couldn't be happy with them. I know they're not to everybody's taste, but they're to my taste, and that's what counts. But if you use eSIM 10, check out, if you head over to Rallyflapz website, you will get 10% off as well. So a little something for you guys from me. But yeah, let's talk about fitting them. So the front flaps. With the front flaps, you get this like little metal plate which comes with all the fixings and whatever. That's basically there to just push it against the wheel arch and hold it tighter. I screwed in here. I'm not sure I was meant to screw straight through the flap, but the way I saw it, it's a bit more security. It's less likely going to fall off. So yeah, but they're not too bad to fit once you get your head around it. But there's like a couple of spaces which like go there, and there's one in there as well, because otherwise you'd never be able to screw that in, because that would push it all the way to the back. Yeah, they're not too bad to fit. I feel like they're a little bit far in, but at the same time you don't want them sticking too far out. So yeah, with the rear flaps, they look more awkward to do because you get a metal plate, which you would have saw in like the previous bit, but you kind of have to screw the metal plate into your wheel arch and like bend it to how it says, and it's got like dotted lines so you know where to bend it. And it looks confusing at first, but once you've done the first side, the second side will literally like fall together. Like, it's really simple. Yeah, I mean, sits nice, doesn't sit too close to the floor, and on your bumper there is actually like a little bit that sticks out, and if you line that up, if you line the metal brace up with that bit that sticks out, you can't go wrong. And then that way, when you look at it from behind, they're both sat at the exact same height, which is what you want. You don't want one up here and the other one down there. But yeah, nice and easy to install. Shout out to Rallyflapz for basically supporting the video. Like, they've given me a discount for you guys, so make sure you check them out. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. Sorry, it's not actually a tutorial. It's kind of just me putting them on and then showing you them on, because I did it at work, so then I could use the ramp, which made my life a lot easier, getting the wheels off and stuff. So, but hopefully you still got a rough idea on how they go on, and I showed you basically what they look like on, and showed you with the back what the metal brace is supposed to look like once it's on. But I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. Peace.